Hello, my name is Melissa Perkel with the rentals team at Compass. Welcome to your future home on Hutchinson Island. This stunning ocean view condo is an absolute gem, offering not only a beautifully updated interior, but also a lifestyle that's second to none. Let's take a tour and explore what makes this property and this island so special. One of the highlights of living here is the oceanfront lifestyle. The beach within just a short walk away is uncrowded and perfect for swimming, sunbathing, or taking a peaceful stroll along the shore. One amazing feature about this condo is it comes with a cabana equipped with your own shower and bathroom right by the ocean. But the outdoor adventures don't stop there. If you're into water sports, you're in the right place. The jetty and Fort Pierce Inlet is just around the corner and is a fantastic spot for surfing and fishing. With its stunning views, modern updates, proximity to the water, we have local restaurants and shopping. This property is a true steal for anyone looking to live the island life without breaking the bank. Feel free to ask any questions or request an in-person tour. This Hutchinson Island lifestyle is waiting just for you.